The first thing I want to say is a huge thank you. Thank you so much for enrolling in this course. I know you're not going to be disappointed, and I cannot wait to get started to teach you all this cool stuff. Now, I do want to say that this course is all about doing. It's about taking action. It's not about watching videos. That's not going to get you anywhere in terms of changing your life and really starting to make some money. So let's go through what I call the first 3 essential steps. Okay, these 3 steps are absolutely essential in the next 3 lectures that are coming up. I need you to take these steps so that we can actually crack on and really start to build this business model out. So what are these 3 steps I'm talking about? Well, the first step, of course, which I'm calling essential number 1, is the business model, or how you will make money. So I'm going to describe to you briefly, okay, I'm going to give you a helicopter view, a high level view of exactly how that works, okay, so you can fully understand what we are going to do throughout this course and why it's so exciting. Number 2 is going to be all about setting up your web host. Now, it's absolutely essential that we have a fantastic functioning e-commerce store. Okay, we can't do anything without that, and we need to host it on a fantastic host. So I've got some great tips for you here. We're going to go through this together and get that set up as soon as possible. And the last essential is just understanding your web hosting account that you will have set up. Once you've done those 3 essential things, then we'll be able to actually crack on and really get under the hood of this course. Fantastic. I can't wait to see you in the next lecture where I'm going to talk to you about the business model, essential number 1. See you in a sec.